The following is a flood watch statement.
Flood watch?
Flood watch in effect through this evening.
Freaking Area 4 watch.
What? Flash flooding caused by excessive rain.
They expanded it, dude.
Where? Portions of central New York.
They literally
including
expanded
the
it. What the
following
heck?
areas: Broome, Kemet, Cortland, Sullivan, Tioga, and
It's
Tompkins,
Sullivan,
and
New York.
northeast Pennsylvania, including
shit.
the following areas: Bradford, Northern Wayne, and Susquehanna.
Northern Wayne? Oh, shit.
When, through this evening, south winds impact. Excessive runoff may result
Yo,
in
they
flooding of
expanded the
rivers.
Area 4 watch. What the heck? No way. Hold up, WXL39.
Already index value of 1. Area of low pressure passes north and
Bruh.
west of KZZ31 on the
Area 4 watch.